Hi everyone, in this video I just want to show you this camera that I bought from Home Depot. This is a pretty cheap camera, or hopefully it works well. It's going to be a good value camera. It's $69 or $70 on Amazon. They have a whole bunch of it, and it looks like a pretty good product. So it claims to be an outdoor camera, wire free, and it lasts supposed to be up to 6 months. It has local storage, and it even comes with 32 gigabyte of SD card in the packaging. So not sure how it works. I just basically unboxed it. It looks pretty good quality. The packaging was really good. It has the micro SD card in there. It has Ethernet cable. I'm not sure what this is for because it's supposed to be wire free. This is just a box. It comes with anchors. So yeah, I'm not sure what those are for, but the actual system itself is like this. So you have look like this is probably like some kind of base. So it has a base with a Ethernet connector and a power connector, and this is a 12 volt 1 amp AC adapter, and it has antennas. It has an SD card here, and it has a sync button. So that's kind of confusing. I guess you put the SD card here and it's going to communicate with this camera somehow. But I don't understand this part right here. Why do I need to have this USB cable that connects here? And on the camera itself, it has this mount holes. It has a swivel base. It's a nice square package, and it's pretty heavy. And at the back of it there's a switch. Looks like it's an off and on. Right now it's off, and you switch it to the right for it to be on. It doesn't have any indicator. Oh yeah, there you go. It has a light indicator here. So I have charged this overnight for at least 24 hours, and looks like right now it's on. Yeah, so I don't know what this is for. I guess this is probably just for charging. Let's assume it is just for charging. That means that we can just put this somewhere, anywhere within range of the base station, and the SD card actually goes here. So I think that's how it works, but I'm gonna read the manual, and we're gonna install the app on my phone, and then let's see if we can get it to work. Okay, so the next step that I did was to download the Wyze app, and the Wyze app is this app right here, the one that says WYZE lifestyle. So I already got that downloaded, and the first thing that it asked me to do is to actually plug in the base. And so I got the base plugged in. So it's plugged into the Ethernet network, and the power is also plugged in there. And this side is not plugged into the camera. It is showing a blue light after about 30 seconds of it being plugged in. And just like the instructions here on the app, as you can see, it says status light is solid blue. So I just checked that because it is solid blue, and I'm gonna click on next. Connecting. Name your device. Okay, so this is for my backyard. Finish. Okay, new firmware version is available. Press upgrade to get the latest features. Okay, so let's go ahead and upgrade it. Update. All right, looks like this particular part here only installs the base, and once the base is installed, I bet you I'm gonna need to add the outdoor camera. So that raised the question, I guess, how many outdoor camera or cameras can each base support? I don't know. Anyway, so we have the camera right here, and the power light is off. I guess we'll see if how to sync this up once the upgrade is done. Okay, the upgrade has completed for the base station, and it says congratulations, your update went great, there's a new version, etc. So we're just going to click done, and then now we're going to add the cam outdoor. Okay, it says flip the switch behind the cam to on, so we're going to do that. There, it's flip to on. The status light will be yellow. Keep cam within 6 feet of the base station. Yep, the base station is just right there. We're about 3 foot away. If light does not turn on, please plug in your camera to charge. Okay, well, it is on, so begin setup. Press the sync button on the bottom of the cam. What? I didn't know there's a sync button. Oh, okay. Okay, I did not know that the base can actually lift up like this. So as you can see, it you can kind of tilt it up, and it'll swivel, and it can collapse. So there's indeed a sync button right here. It says sync. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, that button right there. So I'm going to press it.
Please wait.
It says pairing is in progress, please wait. And the button and the light is turning blue, orange, or blue yellow.
Setup is complete.
Setup is complete, it says. It says name device, so I'm gonna call it again backyard. Finish. Okay. And looks like it's already set up. So it says, do you want to share with a family member? I'll just say later. Continue to mounting. Yes, begin mounting. Okay, so it just tells me like all the different ways to mount the camera. I actually just want to see how it looks. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. Let's see. Great connection. All right, I guess that's it. I'll just close this. It says backyard, the battery's 100%, it's on. All right, so let me see what happened if I click on it. It says all set. New firmware available. I guess this one is for the camera. So let me not upgrade it right now. Let me just say cancel, and move the camera here around. Yeah, the quality is not great, but the setup was pretty easy. So you can actually speak. Test, test. Wow. Okay. And you can hear the sound. And you can take photo. It saves it directly to your camera, and then you can record. Yeah, and then there's time lapse, schedule recording, album, motion tagging, and turn off. Wow, it's actually pretty good. So there's also an SD versus HD. Okay, there you go. Now the quality is much better. It's still kind of slow, but it is pretty good. All right, well, I'm going to be watching to see how good the battery is. And considering that this is an outdoor camera, it doesn't have any protection. I wonder how good this is outdoor. I guess we'll see. All right, well, I'm gonna put it on the window and see how it works. I got the camera mounted by the window, facing the construction site of building a pavilion here at the back of my house. And let's see what it looks like on the phone. So about a week have passed, 10 days exactly actually, since I put the Wyze camera on the window, and it has been diligently videoing my construction progress in the backyard, and I just want to give you guys some updates. Overall, it has been working really well. This is the app, and the battery right now is 93%. And keep in mind that it's recording with motion detection continuously, and there has been somewhat good activity outside all the time. So 10 days, 93% is pretty good. I was expecting for it to be a little bit more, because obviously it's claiming that it can do 6 months. At this rate, I don't think it will do 6 months. The picture quality, I've been looking at it. It's been pretty good. The playback actually is also pretty good. I would say the app features and the usability is better than most cheap camera out there. Just the battery, I don't think is going to be lasting 6 months. One downfall that I don't like also about this is the fact that you have to have the base, and the base, I don't know if it can be used with multiple cameras, one base against multiple. If not, then if you have to use one base per camera, that's gonna be pretty ridiculous. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. Let me see what else. Quality, speed. Oh yeah, so I'm comparing this camera against Reolink, another camera that I have, and I'll also put the link in the description for Reolink. It's also a wireless camera. It supports solar. That's another topic that I'm not sure whether Wyze is going to support solar. They don't have the solar at Home Depot version. I mean, there's the solar version at Home Depot, but maybe they do have it. I'm not sure. The Reolink, as a comparison, I have a Reolink that is about 1.5 years old, and the battery for the Reolink, for the same time range, 10 days, the Reolink is at 95%, where this is at 93%. So considering that the Reolink never really claimed a 6-month battery, but is actually doing better, it's questionable for this battery range, not range, but battery, I guess, longevity. Yeah, so I just want to wrap up, I guess, the this review and unboxing for the Wyze camera at $69 or $70. It is cheaper than the Reolink. My Reolink is about, I think a year and a half ago, is $110, $120 without the solar. And I'm gonna see actually if they have a solar attachment for the Wyze camera. If they don't, I have this USB solar that has a USB attachment here, and this is waterproof. I'm gonna try to see if this would actually work in conjunction with this camera. If it does, I'll create another video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get updated of that, so that we can have a good solution, because this comes with more feature. For example, this one have time lapse that the Reolink doesn't have, and I believe that the not believe, I know that the Wyze Camera app is actually better. Playback is better, the features are better. It's just the battery and the solar solution is what is iffy, plus the fact that I need to have a base station. That is iffy about this camera. Other than that, I think Wyze is a pretty good deal for $70. And it's a very solid camera. I never had any problem with it during the 11-12 days that I had it. I think I would buy many Wyze camera if I was setting up my home, and I need a camera that is easy to use and easy to install. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video to somebody that you think may benefit from this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscriber. I'm almost there. Hopefully you will hit the subscribe button and help me get there. And if you do want to buy this Wyze camera, I'm also going to provide a link in the in the description of the video. I appreciate it if you use my link to buy this Wyze camera online, probably from Amazon, to help my channel grow. Much appreciated, and have a good day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself